What's up? It's Kristen here. I just wanted to chat with you guys really quick on our new fall series bootcamp and what you can expect. First, it's not a one-size-fits-all. You get to pick the program that you want, whether it's 20 minutes, 45 minutes, whether it's 6 weeks, whether it's just 100 workouts, whether or not you're going to do more yoga and Pilates, or you want to train like an athlete and really go extreme and see what your body can actually do when you push it and level up. Next, you're going to be able to choose from 2 different nutrition plans, and that's going to fit on what your lifestyle is and just your preference. So you don't have to be stuck in just one and have to suffer through it, right? It can be carb cycling, it can be time nutrition, portion control, and it can also be a plated method. So you've got 2 different plans and different options within those plans. Then you've also got our support and our accountability in our boot camp, where we are all virtual. We can show up for different workouts at different times. We can just check in with one another. We're going to share weekly meal plans that are going along with grocery lists, kind of planning it out of what it is that we're going to eat, how we food prep, as well as different really yummy alternative recipes for using our Shakeology, which is our daily dense nutrition shake that can kind of help fill in the gaps of our daily nutrition, as well as Energize to help us keep up with all of our craziness, as well as our workouts and just our schedule. And then thirdly is our muscle repair shake. It's Recover Shake, and I live for this. I cannot go without it, or else I definitely feel my age. Nobody wants to do that, right? So if those are interesting to you, if you're ready to get started and you want to end the last 90 days of 2019 looking your best, feeling your best, and actually having a plan that you are going to complete, that you can follow, and that you're going to feel successful on, drop me a message. I am right here. This is my passion. This is what I'm meant to do. This is what I'm blessed to do, as well as this is going to be the fall that you are going to commit to yourself, and you're going to get into the best shape of your life.